girls don't overreact like all the time.
Girls are complicated.
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, and a lot more. And welcome back to another video. So for this video, I have Gargi with me right here. And Gargi, tell us कि हम क्या video बना रहे हैं
आज हम most requested video जो शायद मोहिनी ने पहले नहीं की. This is the first time she's doing that.
Yeah.
We are going to answer all those questions which boys are usually
too afraid to ask or too shy to ask to girls. So we asked you on my Instagram about all the questions and we got a bunch of very amazing ones. So in this video we will be sharing our responses on these questions. I've taken a little bit of sneak peek when I was taking screenshots, but I don't think Gargi को मैंने कोई भी idea दिया है. So in this video it's going to be a pretty exciting one. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with like a very basic question. Do girls borrow lipsticks? So Gargi, you go first.
I guess girls do. This is pretty subjective, but
Yeah.
Me and Mohini generally do.
Yeah, but there are girls I think who are very hygiene conscious. They maybe don't.
Maybe also we are very hygiene conscious,
Yeah.
but we are
Comfortable with each
other. We don't share it with anybody, but
Yeah,
we share
yeah.
each.
What is the first thing girls generally notice in a guy?
You answer first.
Okay, so personally for me, personality, looks, they all matter. ठीक है, बंदा कैसा है, उसकी nature कैसी है वो बाद में पता लगता है. But if you're talking about first impressions, so I'll see how dressed he is and like how put together he is, and also his like hair and height. Height matter.
Again, this can be subjective. Some people like to notice eyes first, and maybe another thing. I personally notice the height and the dressing of the person.
Same. Actually,
Yeah,
the same. Do girls like boys with tattoos?
I personally don't.
I was about to say the same. हम लोग कोई answers
boys.
discuss नहीं किए यार.
Obviously, we are best friends, so
Yeah, we have
pretty
the
much
same liking.
choices. Yeah.
Yeah,
So I
but
personally don't like at all. Or बाकी
for me, 1 or 2 tattoos would do. But people who have like 10,000 tattoos on their body,
that is a turn off.
that yeah. Are girls comfortable dating shorter / younger guys? Gargi has to answer this because Gargi is like very tall. So Gargi के लिए options are very less because बहुत लड़के Gargi से height में in general ही छोटे हैं.
Again, by the time जब मैं वीडियो बना रहे हैं I'm 24, तो अभी तक तो मुझे नहीं लगता I will date a shorter guy.
Yeah.
Either the younger than me. It's not a right way to differentiate between guys, but it is personal liking anyway. So I would like to go for
Yeah.
a guy who is young, who's like older than me, also and taller than me. Yeah.
For me, like मैंने तो आपको पहले ही बोला कि I notice the height. तो for taller तो for sure मुझे चाहिए. And talking about younger, मुझे तो मेरी same age का भी नहीं चलेगा. I want वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा mature हो, तभी setting थोड़ी better बैठेगी.
Because this is generally said, ना guys get mature
later
on later than girls.
Yeah, so if I am 24 and if I date a guy who is 26, तो हम दोनों का maturity level same होगा.
Yeah, exactly.
Do girls expect serious reply when they're asked? Do they look fat? मतलब if a girl is asking a boy, do I look fat? So what kind of answers are we looking for?
I will tell you.
Yes, please.
Girls
Okay.
generally ask. देखो ऐसा होता है, मतलब guys expect करते हैं कि लड़की इसलिए पूछ रही है so that guy should tell कि हाँ नहीं you don't look fat at all, but नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता. On the other hand, girls are expecting you to answer very seriously.
Yeah.
ताकि हमें एक serious opinion मिले. But I personally feel guys think that कि लड़कियाँ expect करती हैं कि वो उन्हें हाँ you look very pretty, you look very तो मुझे लगता है कि they expect serious answer.
मैं तभी पूछूंगी मैं फैट लग रही हूँ जब मुझे लग रहा होगा मैं फैट लग रही हूँ, और ऊपर से अगर अगला बंदा वैलिडेट कर देगा कि हाँ तुम फैट लग रही हो, that will be a turn off because I feel sad.
Okay.
So
it is for girls are really confusing, यार.
Yeah.
Even they are looking fat, they won't accept the answer that you are.
No, I already know that I'm looking fat. I don't want you to tell me that I'm looking fat so that I feel even worse. So for me, I personally won't ask that question. But if I'm asking, then I would want a cute answer and not an answer like yeah you're looking fat. Do girls discuss about their guy friends or boyfriends? Yeah, like why not? Like I and Gargi especially we tell like हमें किसी लड़की का रिक्वेस्ट भी आए, मैसेज भी आए, हम तो सब कुछ बताते हैं.
Girls discuss everything. तो in between.
If my followers, anybody is texting Gargi जो कि बहुत frequent हो जाता है, तो गाइस ऐसा नहीं है मुझे पता नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे सब पता लग रहा है, ठीक है. I have my eyes on you and you better not text her. So that's that.
But on the top of it, अगर हाँ की बहुत कोई सीरियस बात है या ऐसा कुछ है तो उतना मतलब हम डीप में जाके नहीं करते डिस्कस, जो हमें डिस्कस नहीं करनी चाहिए आई गेस वो नहीं करते. किसी की पर्सनल आई मीन अगर किसी की कोई पर्सनल बात है वो नहीं डिस्कस करते, बट ऑन जनरल भी डिस्कस. गर्ल्स भी डिस्कस.
अगर हमारी लाइफ में कोई इंसान होगा हम उसकी बात, उसकी पर्सनल बात एक दूसरे को नहीं बताएंगे, बट जो बात हमारे से उस पर्सन की रिलेटेड है वो हम बताएंगे.
ऑफ कोर्स.
Why do girls overreact? I think it's pretty much normal and girls don't overreact like all the time.
Girls are complicated. मतलब guys need to focus कि girls का mood कब किस टाइम क्या change हो रहा है. Girls are little sensitive then I think
yes.
Guys. So अभी last answer हमने दिया ना कि अगर we are expecting a serious answer कि if you are looking fat, तो अगर आपने बोल दिया yes you are looking fat, अगर हम मोहिनी का एग्जांपल दें तो she will overreact because she wasn't expecting this reply. So you need to be very much conscious before like talking to a girl. तो I guess उनका temperament boys के उसमें से थोड़ा सा जल्दी lose कर देती हैं girls. I personally
yes.
And other than that ना girls अपने mind में ना बहुत ज़्यादा built up कर लेती हैं, एक्सपेक्ट करती है कि लड़कों को अपने आप में समझ आ जाएगा, बट ऐसा नहीं होता.
वैसे अब जैसे बिल्टअप वाला केस मेरे केस में थोड़ा कम होता है, गार्गी केस में थोड़ा ज्यादा होता है ना. तो ये भी डिपेंड करता है लाइक गर्ल टू. I read it somewhere that I don't want to tell him to get me flowers because then he know I need flowers. I want him to get me flowers. Like उसको मन करना चाहिए वो मेरे लिए फूल लेके आए, ऐसे मैं बोल दूंगी वो लेके आए, उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. And I so freaking relate to that. Like the person should feel themselves. Like अगर किसी को पैम्पर करना है ऐसे मैं बोल दूं भाई तो मुझे ये दिला दो, तो अगला बंदा दिला देगा, पर ऐसे नहीं होता. मतलब the person should feel कि हाँ मुझे ऐसे करना है, तो जाके बात बनती है. So that is PMS real? Yes guys, yes,
it is for real. I wish you guys could get period once in your life so that you can relate to us.
Yeah, but it is pretty much real यार. क्यों नहीं, मतलब it is a natural phenomenon.
You get clingy, you have cramps, you have everything in the entire world. You don't want to talk to anybody during that time. It is natural. Okay?
Yeah.
You can't really control any of the factors of PMS, so it is
I
natural.
know a lot of girls face PMS, so I don't think that's a
9
bad
out
thing or
of
something.
10 girls do.
How to make a Punjabi girl invite you to her wedding?
Marry the one.
Yeah, I think the easiest answer would be marry one. Just like marry one, तो उसे तुम्हें अपनी शादी में बुलाने पड़ेगा. Are girls different in front of boys and in front of girls? Yes.
Initially, I guess, when you are not very comfortable with a girl, she can be different. She is different, I guess. Or I guess everybody is different.
Because then when you start seeing a guy, you want to put your best feet forward.
Yeah.
And you know, you can't be your best all the time with your girlfriends. So I think that's that, because like your
Everybody
girls
has
know
two
you.
faces. Now, even guys do have two faces. They want to
Yeah,
impress
वो भी
a
अपने
girl.
दोस्तों के साथ
They
ऐसे
will
रहते
build up
हैं.
a story.
Yeah.
Obviously. So,
Like लड़के भी अपने
but
दोस्तों
this
के
is very initially. मतलब very initial part is this. अगर आप comfortable हो जाते हो, मतलब you get comfortable with time, obviously. उसके बाद I don't think you can't show the two faces all the time. No?
मतलब कितना टाइम ही दिखा लोगे. So एक दिन तो आपकी सच्चाई बाहर निकलनी है.
Initially it happens.
Do girls like healthy flirting? I think yes.
Who doesn't like?
And healthy flirting is fun, but if a person is a creep and they,
One should know the limits.
yeah, I think
Do
that,
not go overboard. The healthy will turn into a bad flirting.
and then the girl will hate you forever, and आपके chances zero हैं. Do girls feel awkward when boys burp in front of them?
Again,
See, it depends. If it's the first or like if it's like first time
initial
date,
stage, that is
I would. But I think उसके
that
बाद
is
इतना फर्क नहीं
image,
पड़ता.
that is image building part. So you need to
Yeah,
control your
like,
burps
in
and
fact,
farts.
I will say, like, if there's a boyfriend also, he should be comfortable enough in front of you to burp, but he should be decent enough to
Yeah.
know that he can't burp publicly all the time.
Yeah.
Thoughts on friend with benefits?
Again, I guess it is very, very, very subjective.
मेरी तो इसके ऊपर एक ही लाइन है, अगर मियाँ बीबी राजी तो क्या करें. I think I learned it there. Do girls find it awkward to talk about menstruation?
Again, it depends upon who she is talking to
And how comfortable she is.
and how open the guy, or obviously we are talking about guys only, so how open the guy is about the topic. Like if he is making uncomfortable to the girl, then obviously girl will never talk
Basically, a
about
boy should make the girl comfortable.
and everybody is, I guess, very much educated, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
Guys, there's a question only for you. Like, not only for you actually, I can also answer this. How to impress Gargi? How
Oh
to
my God.
impress Gargi? You tell me your answer, then I'll tell mine.
What should I?
Okay, let me answer. ये वीडियो जो बनाई है ना हमने, इसे घोट के पी जाओ. गार्गी के प्रेस होने के चांसेस बहुत बढ़ जाएंगे.
Gargi has very much of mood swings, so मुझे भी नहीं पता. मतलब this is not an impression. Be natural.
What is the ideal date for a girl? I think for me it would be the boy should make you special. It could be in any way. I would not want like 10,000 candles and
And
like
a bunch of flowers.
yeah.
Yes,
That if that is there, then it's a plus point. But if nahi bhi hai, the boy
But I
should make
guess,
you feel like oh my god, you are the best, you are the queen of the world. And I think
And वो आप किसी भी way में feel करा सकते हो. I personally feel it should be little personalized. Maybe it sounds cliche to some of the people, but you can cook for a girl. It is very
Yeah.
like heart touching for me at least. है ना? मतलब you are putting efforts.
yeah, I think that
For
would
me,
be-
10,000 flowers or something like that maybe won't work, but हाँ yes, a cooking or maybe something like that. So it should be really personalized. So
For me, not even cooking. I don't wanna cook. I don't want him to cook also. like खाना खजाना बाद में
yeah,
कर
I
लेंगे.
just quote an example.
Yeah, yeah.
मतलब if
मतलब हमारे
the guy
यहाँ
should
भी
make
different है.
a guy should make a time for a girl, ना? कि
Yeah, for
just
me it is like he should make me feel good, and I should be happy in the end of the day. If I am happy after coming back from a date, then it was an ideal date. We are almost like done.
हाँ,
एक
yeah.
दो questions ही रह गए हैं. Why do girls pretend that they do not know that the boy likes them, even though they know that the boy likes them? It's a pretty complicated question. I think इसका एक ही reason होता है कि लड़की चाहती है कि वो आए, बात करे, approach करे,
मतलब
है ना? और वो
basically
uncomfortable
हर
बना देगी
थोड़ा सा
situation
ना,
को अगर.
नहीं, I guess शुरू में the girl takes time and थोड़ा भाव तो देखो
खाना
पड़ता है. But it is
भाव
natural.
खा के लड़कियां मोटी हो जाती है मुझे लगता है.
और I guess बहुत वो होता है, पता होता है. The guy also knows, the girl also knows.
So I think with that we end the video right here. I hope we answered like most of your questions. We like to keep it like very teenage friendly, and we didn't deep dive into like family oriented basically. So I think it was helpful, and if you guys like this video, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your guy friends. Especially the girls who are watching who wants to tell boys
Yes.
but are not able to tell them it themselves. So
communicate
उनको वीडियो
through
भेजो.
video, yeah.
उनको बोलो वीडियो खोल के भेजो. सबको वीडियो खोल के मिला दो. And I think उसके बाद सबकी dating game बहुत easy हो जाएगी. And thank you so much for watching. And do not forget to
Like, share and subscribe.
bye.
We have asked those questions on Mohini's Instagram. We have got a bunch of questions on them. On it, we have.
I'm pretty.
नहीं, थोड़ी conscious हो रही हूँ.